friends, welcome to Access Language School. Today we're going to have a session on OET listening. As you all know that there are some tips for listening, okay? So as you know, the total timing of listening is about 40 minutes and you have 3 parts. That is part A, which consists of about 2 different sessions of speaking, for which there will be 12 questions, 1 and next 12 questions and total 24 questions in part A. Then you have part B, which have 6 different extracts. For each extract there will be 1 question and 3 options. Then you will have part C, which is having 2 different texts, okay? For each text there are some amount of questions, okay? So this is about the listening and overview, and the time taken is about 40 minutes, okay? So there are some tips for listening. So the tips include mainly read all the questions carefully before listening within the allotted time. So that's the first important tip. Read all the questions very carefully within the allotted time. Then the second one is that good concentration in between. There should not be any distraction. That's the very important thing in listening. You should have a good concentration, okay? Then don't get distracted in between. That's very important. Then the next tip is that be prepared to listen for the messages. As you know that when we do the listening, in between there will be some messages given. So you should be very careful and listen to the messages. Then next one, decide what sort of listening skill you need to perform. So you have to focus on what skill you are going to perform. Then the very important thing is the next, that is paraphrasing, okay? That means one word is given in the listening question paper, but the word that is said in the audio may be quite different, but the meaning will be same. So that is called paraphrasing. So that should be kept in mind, okay? For everything, especially for writing and for also for reading, okay? Then we have to practice the study materials. You have to good practice of this listening should be done. Then do not write in incomplete sentences. Always write in complete forms of sentences. Then aim for a clear, concise and detailed presentation of the information. That's very important. Then focus on your communication skill. You have to focus more on your communication skill. Then take the help of the audio source. Then you should avoid spelling mistakes and also you should write very neatly. And the very important tip that I have to give to you all is that when you do your part A, you have to focus on the blank space. Just before the blank space there will be one word and after the blank space there will be another word. So just focus or just understand what is the 2 wordings. Then it will be helping you to write the fill or it will be helping you to fill in the blank space that is given there, okay? So that should be kept in mind. So these are the tips for listening. So the main tip is that you should have a good concentration and you should listen to the audio, that is what they are saying, carefully. So accordingly if you are doing, then definitely you will get a good score, okay? So I feel you have understood what we have told. Have a nice day. Thank you.